Right. Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can start.
Sir, done, sir. Previous class.
Huh?
Previous class I did, sir.
Okay. Today Rajesh, no? Okay. Rajesh? Rajesh? Sahadev? Sahadev? Rajesh? Sahadev? Saket? Santosh? Sinchana? Spurti? Nobody has turned up. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today are you supposed to go, no, Spurti?
Sir, you haven't given topic yet, sir.
For five people I have given already, no? Rajesh, Sahadev, Santosh, Seema, Sinchana. Sahadev, Rajesh, okay, right. So third unit we told, so examples of direct manipulations. Seema,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, you supposed to give no today.
No, sir.
Then who else? Yeah, I told five people. No, Surya Prakash, Nayana, correct, correct. Surya Prakash, Nayana, Rajesh, and Sahadev. These four people today. I have written it somewhere. Okay, right. I told you examples of the direct manipulation systems. So in this, we need to discuss the command line versus display editors and the word processors. So whatever we are typing the command line, when we are requesting something or when we are sending some messages or receiving the messages, so it will display either ends, source and destination. Suppose if I am sending some messages, destination somewhere should display. So if other end, if they're sending, I have to see, I'm able to see that some messages. That is what the command line versus display editors and the word processors. The other examples, if you take, what you said and what you are going, what you are doing. So that is what the WYSIWYG. That's what we had discussed. So line editors are generally most flexible and powerful. So line editors are the more powerful and more flexible. So the advantages of the what you said and what you gain. That is what the word processors. So in this we need to discuss the some of the issues. That is called the display a full page of the text, display of your document in the form that will appear when the final printing done. So once we type it, the documentations will see it before taking the printout. Suppose if you like that, then we'll take it. Otherwise, we'll go back and we'll adjust some of the pages, either header, footer, down, whatever it may be. Then we'll go for the printing. Next one is the shows the cursor action. Next is control cursors motions through physical obvious the natural means. Use the labeled icons for the actions. So when we are seeing the command line arguments is nothing but whatever. Suppose if you go for the online booking, so there you will be seeing the labeled actions. Suppose if you want, for example, they will be asking male or female. So if once you click the male button will be, that is called the label actions. Display of the results of the actions immediately. Provide the rapid response and displays. That means what? Immediate response we want. So suppose if you are paying insurance for the two-wheeler or car, so immediate actions, immediate replies we are expecting. That is what the direct manipulation systems, simple examples. Command line versus the display the editors. So we have the examples for the direct manipulations. So direct manipulations is nothing but when we are typing something, what you said, what you gain, that's what I told you. So whenever you are typing something, should be able to get it. Excel, if you take example, what will happen? We'll type the data. Sometimes we'll go for the graph, sometimes we'll go for the calculations, sometimes auto generate the numbers, that means serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that, that is what the examples of the direct manipulation systems. So here we have the 7 items. One is called the word processor history and current status. Second one is called the spreadsheets and descendants. Third one is the office automation history. Fourth one is the spatial data management. Fifth one is called the video games. Sixth one, computer aided design. Seventh one is the continuing evaluation of direct manipulations. This is what the 7 different types of examples for the direct manipulations. So direct manipulations in the sense, when you are doing, immediate the reflection will be there. Either you go for typing, or when you go for the online booking, or when you are purchasing something, whatever it may be, or you are filling the applications, whatever it may be. So direct manipulations examples. So when you are doing, automatically the reflections will be happening. That is what the examples. So Best example, you can take video games. So you are familiar with that. Whenever you are clicking something, immediate actions will be happening, direct manipulations with the system and you, or with your mobile and you. So let us see some of the examples for the word processor. Right. So word processor, they have taken some of the example. For example, they have taken on paper. So screenshots, you can see it. So when they are taking the printout, for example, if you want portland or landscape, portent or landscape, you can take the printout and arranged. So we can go for the preview and we can take the examples. So the what you said and what you get. These were the examples of the direct manipulation systems. So examples of the another one is technologies that derive from the word processors. So when you are doing this, what advantages will get it? Finally, what you will be doing. So many people know this direct manipulation systems. What is the use of the word? It's nothing but what? When you are doing the report, you will be doing the integration. That means what? Introduction, software requirements, analysis, designing, coding, testing, conclusion, initially abstract, all these things will be writing. That is what the integrations you will be doing. That is what the first one. Second one is called the desktop application software. So here technology is a device from the word processor. So you'll be having the desktop application softwares. So next is we have the slide presentation softwares, hypermedia environment. So here is we can give the link between in Word itself also. So we can, once you give the link, automatically it will open some other things. So that is what also is available called the direct manipulations. There are only this one, desktop application software, slide presentation software, hypermedia environments, improved macro facilities, spell checkers and teasers, grammar checkers, all those things are available in the direct manipulation system that is called the word processors. Right. Second one is called the spreadsheets. Spreadsheets also, you know, this Excel sheets. So Excel sheets normally what you will be doing. What you will be doing? So we can do the graphs, we can do the calculations, we can give the links. So we can, same file we can open many more files. So filters, all these things we can do the calculations. That's one, there are only this one here. So you just delegates the watching the problems, propagate the changes across the screen. So we can manipulate something with the existing system. That is what the examples here. In some cases, spatial representation provides the better modifier of the realities. So some of the cases with the existing will modify. That means what? We'll be getting some of the outputs. That's all. With existing data, we'll be getting the output. So successful spatial data management systems depend on the choosing appropriate icons, graphical representation, and natural and comprehensible data layouts. So see, you can see some of the examples here. So some of the data they have given, data they have given. So some of the branches are there, A, L, N, L. So EI starts, runs, hits, games played, hits per game, doubles, triples, home run, RBI. Some of the data are available. So in this, we can manipulate and we can do it. So for example, batsman, when he is playing cricket game, so they will be showing to us over by over how many runs he has scored. So they will be showing the graphical representation. Original data is per over 3 runs or 4 runs, or per ball also they will be showing. So with that, with graphical representations, they will be showing something. So that is what the examples in this case, they will be manipulated and they will be showing. So in some cases, spatial representation provides a better modifier of the realities. So with this, because they want to show the attention for the particular games, they'll be showing. So last 5 hours, this many runs, last 2 hours, this many runs, or last 10 balls, this many runs, or per batsman, how many scores he has scored, or with which bowler he has faced, how many runs he has scored. So all these things, the original data will be changing and showing to us. Showing means, changing means the data will be the same. Using the data, they'll be manipulating something. So with graphical representation, they'll be showing. That's what the examples of the direct manipulations. Examples of the direct manipulations, you can see here some of the graphs, all these things. So they can see the graphs and some of the informations are available here. So they can change the colors, all those things. So that is what the spatial data management. So with the data, existing data, we can get it. So some of the colors also they've shown here. One color, what color belongs to this, one color belongs to this. Some of the informations you can show it. All these things will be showing here. So next one is called the examples of direct manipulation systems. Another example is called the video games. Video games, you know better than me. You know better than me. So when they are developing, so we are not bothering for the background jobs, what will be happening. We need only front. So designing part will see it, will play the game. So if you like it, we'll continue. Otherwise, we'll leave that game and we'll move to some other games. So that is what here also they have done it. So here is the two persons, Nintendo Wii and Sony PlayStations and Microsoft Xbox. These are all the fields are available to play the games. Fields of the actions is visual and compelling. So commands are physical actions whose the results are immediately shown onto the screen. So that one immediately to be shown. So then only users will be liking that applications. Otherwise, nobody will like that. So no syntax to remember. So for us, no need to remember anything. So most games continuously displays to the score, direct manipulations of the SimCity, Second Life, visual words, Spore, well, MySet well received, Doom and Quick. So all these things to be available, then only we like that particular games. Otherwise, We don't like that, we'll move to the other one. So when they're developing any games, easily should understand by the users and users, and whatever they are giving the instructions, they should give it bit liberally, and the instructions also they cannot give, they will be giving few instructions only how to play all those things. So if you write the stories, nobody will understand. So when you are telling to other people, so it should be simple and easy to be understand. That is what we have to do. That is what the video games intention when we are giving the examples for the direct manipulations. See, here some of the people they're playing the games, video games. You can see the photos here using the guitar, here video games. So using the monitors, they can see that they can play it. So other examples is nothing but the computer aided design. That is nothing but the CAD. That is also one of the examples. So using the CAD, they can build the building model, something, and all using the software they'll be doing. That is also called the one of the best examples in direct manipulation systems. So here is manipulates the objects of the interest, explain the impact, problem solving by analog of the real world. So office automations. Xerox Star was a pioneer with the statistical formatting. So office automation also you have there. So office automation, many offices we are seeing. So how they have done the interactions, graphical representations, all these things. So you can see the examples for the direct manipulations in this case, how they have done it. So if you take here, circle some of the examples they have given it. So 27% one item, 14%, 10%. So they can see the graph. So election time they will be showing. So one party got this much percentage of the votes, or this much percentage poll. How many people used the votes? All these things you can see. So here is top five stories. So it's increasing order, something they have shown it. So for example, you can take the runs, batsman run something and all you can take it. So here also graphs they have shown it. So you can show like this, or you can show like this, or you can show like this. And here also some of the members story clicks the states. So here these were the activities of the direct manipulation systems examples. And here also you can see here the speaker is seeing some of the monitors. So maybe probably they're seeing the monitors and explaining something. So that is what they hear. So here the reflection here is she is seeing something and talking. That is what the continuing evaluation of the direct manipulation systems. Continuous direct manipulations of the systems. These were the examples, problems with the direct manipulations, three principles of the direct manipulations. So now I'll give you the, for other peoples, the task related menu organizations, I'll tell you. So I hope up to where I've given is Sinchana is there, Seema Kumari, Anand, Anand, not there. Santosh, Seema.
Yes, sir.
Ah. You can take next class. Your topic is single menus.
Okay, sir.
Seema single menu. Next is Sinchana.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Combinations of multiple menus.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Next is Spurti. Spurti. Shashank.
Yes, sir.
Yours is content organization.
Okay.
Shashank over. Next Varsha. Varsha. Yashashwini.
Yes, sir.
Who's taking Yashashwini or Varsha?
Sir, Yashaswini, sir.
Yashashwini. Fast movement through menus.
Okay, sir.
Sir, Spurti, sir.
Spurti. Data entry with menus, form fill in, dialog boxes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Up to here, next class, remaining persons will sit. Answer your attendance. 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9, 10,
Yes, sir.
11, 12,
Present, sir.
13, Harini, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Present, sir.
21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27,
Yes, sir.
28, 29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
33, 34,
Present, sir.
35, 50, 51, 52,
Present, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55, 56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58, 59,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71, 72, 73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75, 76, 77,
Present, sir.
right.
Apurva present, sir.
Hi, Tom.
Present, sir.
Gautami present, sir.
So 68, sir.
68. Right.
Sir, 54.
54. Hi, Tama.